Hello, hello. Good morning, all. We will start in about 2-3 minutes, right? Just a little bit late, running some, responding to some DMs and stuff, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, post some tickets, questions, all that stuff. We will get started in a few minutes. I'm just on mute. See you in a bit. All right, what up, guys? Gonna go through Twitter. Got a bunch of stuff to catch up on Twitter, and then I'll get to you guys, all right? So post some tickets, questions, all that stuff. We'll get started. SMTK, SMTK, SMTK. Terrible stock. Nothing on this. Terrible, 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 terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. QMM, QSI. QSI, former runner. Let's have a look. QSI, your key levels here, 182 break. 182 break, then you should get going. Do not try and enter now because you're very, 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 very close to a resistance level. Buying into resistance will send you down another 10-15%, so don't be silly. Just wait, it's okay, it will come, it will go up. If it doesn't, then you just don't enter. Gotta make it easy for yourself, right? Make it easy. QSI, wait for 182 break to enter. See everybody's questions. Good morning. I will look at your questions in about 5 minutes. All right, gotta go through a bunch of stuff on Twitter. Then I will see you guys. UAVs, is this pushing up again? Hopefully it is. Yeah, UAVs is looking good, up 9%. I won't be trading this. I don't trade well with this stock. But we'll give you the key levels, 32, and then around this level. Yeah, what's this? 430. Yeah, 430 is nice. All right, cool. Here's your levels. So we will see. We can even adjust this a bit now. We're kind of breaking out of this. Although this isn't technically correct, you should have it like this. So we'll just update it. There we go. So US expected breakout. We expect this to go up on US, so we will see. I think not last week, the week before. That is the running. Yeah, around 2 weeks ago, I think. NCN, nothing on this, bro. Nothing. WLDS. What's happening with WLDS? Easy trade. This is the easiest trade you can take in your whole career of trading, right? All you have to do is wait for 394 to break and close above to enter. All right, so it should be easy. All you have to do is wait for it to break above 394 and you take your entry. Anything below 394, you are not taking the trade. Understood? Yes, fantastic, cool. QBTS, let's look at this. QBTS, we have it here, former runner. How's largest time frame set up? Yeah, very, 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 very bullish chart. We are expecting continuation to the upside on this. How do we know when it will continue? Once it breaks the resistance, then we know that there's a high probability that it will continue to go up. If you buy something at resistance, there is a higher probability it will go down. You see how easy I make trading? Very simple. Very simple. I don't overcomplicate it. I don't have any MACDs. I don't have any RSIs on my charts. I don't have any Bollinger Bands. I don't have any of that bullshit. All I have is clear charts. Clear, clean setups. You know? Wait for 352 break to enter. So everybody should know now, all of you guys, I know you guys all joined already, you know what you need to do when you see this purple line. When I put this up, you're like, yes, this is exactly what I know I need to do. Save it, screenshot it, put it as my wallpaper, and just wait. You know? Very easy to do. All right, good morning, what up? Totes with a 600% win rate this week, I'm assuming, brother. You are a machine. I need you to give you some money. Can you take some money from me and you can trade for me and make me 600% in 1 week? Please. I'm waiting. 135. What's up here? Yeah, you can wait for 135 on this QMM. Wait for 135 break to enter. Otherwise, nothing for me at the moment. Obviously, this is where your ideal level is to break. The high point here, 153 is the key level to break. That's what I would focus on. But I know we have a lot of people who are impatient, so I try to give them a better setup. Not a better setup, just more risky entry because I know they want to take it because they feel like they have to. So you can, if you have to take it, then you're entering here. If you want to make proper money and you want to have a good trading strategy and learn properly and get a consistent result, then you can enter at 153. RGTI, breaking the downtrend here. We're still below VWAP, I think. Yeah, we are still below VWAP. So at the moment, very difficult trade setup on this. For me, I don't know what to do in this situation. If I have to take the trade, it would be a close above VWAP here at 250. If anything, 280. All right, so RGTI, you can wait for. RGTI, wait for close above 280. You can use VWAP here on this one. Yeah, VWAP. VWAP 394, not 290. 394, yes. NVTS, what's happening with NVTS? Yeah, NVTS very bullish, should continue to go to the upside. NVTS, strong setup. Strong setup. Love Mondays, let's go. We're gonna be a runners over here, so I can over. Nice, Young, well done. 20 likes, let's see how many likes we are on here. Come on guys, 15 likes, we have 90 people in here, we can at least get to 100 likes, easily. PDYN, everyone, their grandmother's spamming this, I don't know why. Guys, everybody, very easy to chart this, okay? Everybody learn this now. Look, face the screen and look. Where is the high? The high is right over here. I use the body of the candle, I don't use the wick. We can use the highest body. Now, what do? We draw the infamous purple line and we just sit on our hands and we wait for 618 to break and we take the trade. All right, you understand? Now do it with every single runner you see and you wait for that setup and you take the trade and you will make money. If not, you cut your loss 5% and you move on to the next one. You wait for the same thing over and over again. You have patience, you have discipline, and you're consistently doing the same thing over and over again. Get consistent results. You see? Easy. It's very easy to trade if you follow the same rules over and over again. People change their setups because it's not working the first time, second time, 100th time. It takes years of practice, time and time again, looking at the same thing over and over and over again. Right. We had 149 for this SPPL. At the moment, it is up 5%. I don't see any potential to enter this unless you get above 149. I know if I close above 149, there's a full price range all the way to 170 plus. So I will just show you the easiest way to trade these setups, and that's what I just posted on my Twitter. Easiest setups. Hi bro, what up Faisal? What up, what up? QBTS is up 20%. QBTS has closed above. Now we should see it continue to go up and fill this wick at 361. Make sure you have a stop loss. RGT, I've gone over that one. Bivy, there is nothing on this. Possibly a falling wedge, but there's absolutely zero volume. This one does seem to like spike randomly every day. So you could keep it on watch, but at the moment, nothing. Bivy expected to break out if it gets a volume. LODE, LODE. Low daily, how are we looking here? The daily, not my style. This isn't my kind of trade setup. Yeah, nothing from me on this, unfortunately. Might be a possible breakout. It's breaking out on a daily opposed to a 5-minute. That is a fantastic reasoning for it to go up. Because the larger time frame equals more confirmation. More confirmation equals higher probability. KSCP needs 1823. Break to enter. Let's have a look and see what else you guys are posting here. Let me have a check. Good morning. How's ACRS looking? Downtrend up this morning. ACRS. We're still in that little downtrend here. For me, I mean, you have your area of support around this level. What is this? 380. Yeah, I mean, at the moment, I wouldn't enter now because it is still in the downtrend and it's actually in a bearish chart pattern, which is a descending triangle. So it means there's a higher probability that the stock will go down. Now, where are you going to enter? You enter simply like this. Just think about this logically. Everybody understand this, please. You are in a bearish chart pattern. That means bearish means down, means going to zero. Okay, now listen. If the stock is bearish, there is a higher probability that the stock will go down. Understood? If the stock is in an uptrend, there's a higher probability it will go up. It's bullish. Now, something like this indicates, based on technical analysis, that this is going to go down. There is a higher probability that the stock is going to go down as it's in a bearish chart pattern. Now, if this is a bearish chart pattern, why would you enter something that has a higher probability of going down? You're not going to enter, right? So where are you going to enter? Now, how to understand that this is going to go from bearish to bullish, you need the downtrend to break. Why do you wait for this to break? You wait for this to break simply because it indicates that, okay, now we can see that it's broken out of a bearish trend, a downtrend, a descending triangle. So now we expect, okay, from it being a 70-30% chance of it bearish going down, we now have a 70-30% chance of it going up. You want to make money and you want to play the highest probability setup, wait for it to break above and enter the trade. Entering now is not a good idea. There is a higher probability it will go down. Please bear in mind that there is no 100% chance this is going down, no 100% chance of it going up. Nothing is 100% chance in trading and there never will be, okay? Whether there's bots and all the shit, it is not going to happen, all right? It will always be a 50-50 chance. And if you get your confidences up, you can make the probability a lot more in your favor. All right? That should be very clear for everyone to understand there. All right? If not, I don't know. Maybe don't trade anymore or something. I don't know. But that should be extremely easy for everyone to understand. PLRZ is bearish, low volume, not my kind of style of trade. SKK, nothing unless 206 break. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, close above. High probability to go to 260, right? So focus on that. IBIT, not my kind of setup as an ETF. Yeah, nothing. It's just going to follow Bitcoin. Unfortunately, I'm not too familiar with something like this, but whatever Bitcoin does, it will follow. KXIN, extremely bearish. There's nothing on this for me. Low volume as well. If you're looking for an entry, wait for 279. The reason is because it's in a bearish trend. To make this a bullish trend and trend reversal, it needs to close above here to continue to push to the upside. Where's the next resistance? Around 310. All right, so KXIN, no entries unless 279 break above. All right, now think about this. It is going down. Why are you going to buy something that is going down? If something is going up and breaks a resistance, there's a high probability it will go up and, you know, push to the next resistance level. All right. KXIN, MLGO. MLGO. 1 hour time frame. We have this resistance here on MLGO, 0.2060. So that's your close above there. Then you have this level here. And then this resistance here. So these are your next levels on MLGO. MLGO needs 0.260 break. All right. QUBT, I don't know why everyone's spamming this one. Spam it, spam it, spam it. That's the way to trade. Spam the ticker, spam the ticker. So you should be very nice and green on this because it closed above and then it ran, what, 3%? Yeah, so we'll see what this one does do. I'm not really interested in this, to be honest. I don't really like something like this. I'll watch it into open. A lot of crazy wicks on this. 793, where is it? We have ELPW. ELPW is nothing on this. This has got absolutely ragged. All pre-market. All pre-market. Bearish, bearish, bearish. It probably will run at open or something, but for now there's nothing on it. Still in a downtrend. PLZ, KXIN, MLGO, GREE. GREE I saw up in the top gainers this morning and I don't know what happened after that. What I'll do is mark the resistance. Where do we have the most rejections? Where's the price drop the most? Right over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So much rejection here. Look, now think about this. If we break above here, where's our next resistance? All the way up here. So we'll wait for that. So this one's easy to take. Screenshot it, whatever. Wait for close above 278 to enter. 278 entry is what you're looking for. All right, like up the stream. Let's go, let's go. GNS needs $1. Yeah, nothing on GNS needs to close above $1. I would leave the stock alone. People have been asking about this for like the last 3-4 years. It hasn't done anything, in my opinion. Not a great stock. Just avoid it. TNXP. How is this one looking? It's 3% down now. Yeah, nothing on this at the moment. TNXP, wait for 0.2120. I'm going to remove this off my watches though. If you didn't see what I said, just scroll back a little bit on the channel and you'll be able to see. All right. Or the stream, sorry. Hollow, still bearish. Hollow, no entries unless downtrend break. So I'm just literally telling you what you need to do for the entry. So when I say wait for a close above, you need the candle to close above to enter the trade, right? That's 9 times out of 10 the trade setups that people ask me. And all I do is I just give them where the best setups are. And if they want to take the trade, they can. That's all. VSTE is running. This looks great. Probably should be worth entries, to be honest with you. You have a lot of room to the upside here, all the way to $3. Yep, broken above that high. Discord members, doesn't break that low, breaks the high. You know what you need to do. Room 2 at 299. So if I say it's room 299, if you enter now, you're not aiming for 299. Please just understand that. When you enter the trade, you are aiming for a realistic target. You buy now. You are looking for 5%. It might be here. You do not hold from here to here. Okay? Hello, hello, hello. NMHI. NMHI. NMHI 390, close above is your entry point. Anything below, nothing for me. CRNC. CRNC, very low volume, 4 hour, very bullish. Yeah, I mean, overall chart's bullish. It needs to break this high, which it has. It should continue to go up. At the moment, I don't see any entries, to be honest. I don't really like volume like this. Maybe if you get a close above here in 5 minutes, somewhere like this. But 750 is your big level, then you have room to 775, then 810. All right. 775, then 810. So these are levels here. Right. So that's what I wait for. Right now, there's a lot of, I don't know, noise here. I don't know what's going on. So needs volume to break that in order for us to continue to go up. But overall chart's very bullish. Key levels shown. NNOX. NNOX, you have 2% up, no volume. Your resistance here, so 671. Once it breaks 671, you have range all the way up to here. Excuse me, and you have range to here. These are your next levels for NNOX. NNOX key levels as well. All right. Hollow, done hollow, NMI, KULR. KULR wasn't doing anything pre-market even though it was up. Is it moving now? Yeah, for me, it's a bit of a weird chart. I don't like something like this that has a lack of volume, but it is up 30%. You could try break above 0.6026 if you want to take your entry. But at the moment, I don't see anything. Unless you're in early or hold over the weekend or something, fair enough. CMAX down 26%. I would avoid it. If it breaks above 110, maybe you can look for entries. CTXR, let me have a look. CTXR, we have 48%, very nice. We'll add this one for Hassie since he trades the sub $1 stocks, just like this. So once we have that level, then we have here, close above this is your entry point. You see the same thing over and over again. 26 and then 285. Where's 28 here? 285. Wait for a 0.233 break. So this is CTXR. Wait for close above 2333. Yeah, wait for that close and you should be all right. CMAX, CTXR, TWG. TWG, we are down 1%. Volume's coming in on this, but right now we had a resistance. You see this here. A lot of rejection here. Close above this and you have clean range all the way up. So 3170 is your entry point. Sava down 84%. Not my style. I just would avoid it. I don't know how to trade something like that, unfortunately, so I cannot give you any feedback. If I see something down 80%, yes, there's a possibility it can reverse, but for me, I don't know how to trade it, so I would rather just leave it and not explain anything because I don't know what will happen. ALLR, wait for downtrend break to enter. Still bearish. CTXR, gone over it, AGFY. AGFY, if I can type. AGFY. Larger time frame, very bullish. You have a wick fill here at $54. Yeah, just very, very bullish. MBLY, where is that MBLY? I had it here somewhere, I think. Yeah, MBLY looks good. Should continue to push up. CTXR, yes, done it about 20 times now. APLD levels, let me have a look. What up, hey bro, long time no see. Let's go the daily on this. You're at 1053. Daily levels, you have this here, 1053, 1162. No way is that all-time high. Interesting. Okay, well, it's near all-time highs, kinda. It's at 1052. Where is this? Yeah, it's pretty much breaking these daily levels right now. So yeah, it should get to this all-time highs. Once it breaks all-time high, it should run, but as we all know, Bitcoin is very, very bullish, so this should continue to go. Bitcoin's at 97,000. Looks like it's pulling back very nicely, which is nice because that's what I want to see. VSTE, did I go with this one? VSTE, we are kind of pushing up a bit. Yeah, we're pushing up, so we'll see what this does do to reject VWAP here. Yeah, it needs to close that VWAP, then you're good. Should continue. I'm expecting continuation on VSTE. Where is VSTE? Oh, it's right here. IGC, we are nothing really, to be honest. I don't know. There's not much volume on this. Difficult to trade. I don't like something like this. I know there's news, but nothing. Downtrend break maybe. PDYN is here, 5%. Yeah, PDYN, just wait for 618. No entries unless 618 break above. Whether you take a trade. No, I literally don't care. Here, this is the easiest way I trade. Okay? The easiest way I trade. I have a stock that has volume. Okay? Well, sorry, let's start again. VST has news. Okay? That is why it is up 41%. That is why I added to my watch list. That is why I am probably going to trade it. Why am I going to trade something that has news? Because it has volume. Why am I going to trade something that has volume? The reason why I'm going to trade something that has volume is because it respects technicals very well, and it's easy for a day trader to trade something with volume. Compare it to something that has no volume like HUSA, where we see all of this stuff. This is no volume, nothing going on, no news. We don't know anything about the stock. Trying to day trade this is impossible. Trading this is very possible. Trading all of these top gainers are possible because you can make money when there is high volatility on the stocks. From here, you need to learn how to trade technicals. I'm very good at trading technicals. That is how I trade. I don't base my trade off what this news was. This vast renewables, if they merge with Tesla, they got a contract of 100 billion. I don't care about any of that. I'm not a fundamental trader. The news gives me the volume. The volume is what I base my trades off of. All right, so I hope that makes a little bit of sense. Is there much I could run anything's explanation? I'll wait on it. No worries. What up, Alberto? MBLY, CTXI, PL, Wasava, Life W, 180 resistance. Life W, we have 4 hour. Yeah, I don't really like this chart. There's not enough volume for me. So I can't trade anything based on this setup. I don't know what will happen. But I will tell you that right now it looks like it's just ranging in here. Especially when it's like this, just wait for it to break above 192, then maybe you can look for entries. QMCO. Yes, I looked at MBLY, bro. QMCO. Whoa. This was crazy volatility earlier today. Well, the range, not the volatility, sorry. Yeah, this is insane. I will not be touching this since it is a $13 stock. I trade stocks pretty much under $10. But these are your next 4 hour levels. I like to use the 4 hours my key levels. Some people like to use 1 minute time levels, but these are my levels. Yeah, so QMCO key levels. SPAI is actually moving. Let me see this one. SPI, yeah, slowly, steady. Broke above, so now it should continue. You have a lot of range to the upside on this. HPH. HPH has no volume. I don't see anything on this. Yeah, for me, nothing. It's very, very difficult to trade something like this, unfortunately. So yeah, I can't really give you, if an entry would be above here because you have clean range to the upside. So maybe above 0.45. Hi Tiger, what up Alberto? What up my man? What up? ATO has low volume, but I can tell you that the trend is bullish. So we have something like this, draw the trend line. I'm gonna go through this candle wick, boohoo. Like this, yeah. So right now we're just in a bullish trend. Maybe good buys are around here. I like to buy when it breaks 150. That would probably be the best one. CKPT, 20 days to approval. Good luck with FDA plays. It's extremely high risk because if it fails, that it will come straight down. But I hope it runs for you. Look at GMMM. Let me have a look. QMM or GMM? Yeah, so closed above here, room to the upside. Wait, QMMM, right? Let me see. Yeah, it is QMMM. Hello, tipster. Hello. QUBT. Yeah, QUBT is looking right now. Should continue to go. Looks very, very nice. Where's that MLGO? Because I saw it was moving earlier. MLGO broke now. We have a lot of movement now coming in. Waking up. Yes, Hollow will follow this. It should. My laptop is about to die. Let me charge this real quick. Cool. Yeah, so MLGO looks nice. I would just add this to my watch list. I don't trade these kind of stocks, but something under $1. But as you know, we will keep it on the watch list. Okay, let me go through my watches, guys, and then going to head into Discord. This is the link to Discord right here. Also, just remember, guys, that there is also a 1 month and a 3 month tier in the Discord. All right. If you have any questions about Discord, please feel free to reach out to me on Twitter, just right under my post, and I'll help you out. Also, we do have a short week. Thursday, it is Thanksgiving Day. The whole market is closed. Okay. Now on Friday, the market closes at 1 p.m. EST, so it doesn't, the market hours are different. It is a lot shorter of a day. So that means that I think closes 3 hours before normal time. All right. Fridays, yeah, I will not be here, unfortunately. I will be here until market open as always, and then I've got to head out. But yes. KULR, there's nothing on this. Ooh, it's pushing up now. Yeah, it looks good now. Close above this in 2 minutes. Looks good. Volume is coming in hot with this thing right now. So we will see. I had this level earlier. Where is it? Oh, 695. Here we go. Yep, volume's coming in on this. Looks good to watch. Doesn't mean I'm going to buy right now. I don't buy this since it is under $1. But people try and buy now because they think it's going to go up. So they bought right at the top here. And now it's come down 7% and they're freaking out. Right? Always wait for the confirmation. That is how I like to trade. I never try and buy just because I see something moving up. That is not how I trade. PXYS would avoid this at all costs. Would avoid this. Yes, KULR is moving up. I see it. I think I am sick. So that is not good because I don't really feel too well. I feel like I'm getting a headache already. RGTI is looking great, but I still would wait for that 280 break. If you're in now, fantastic. If you're not, yeah, up to you what you decide to do on this setup. All right. Okay, guys, that's the Discord link there. I will catch you all tomorrow. Discord members, live trade link will be sent out in 20 minutes. I'll see you all there. Thank you again for all the support. Let's have a great week. Peace.